In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform with WordPress, and we'll do it all in about 5 minutes. This tutorial will guide you through the simple steps to embed a Typeform directly into your WordPress site, enhancing the interactive features of your website effortlessly. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log into your Typeform account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up using a valid email address. Once you're in, the creative possibilities open up. Next, look for the option to create a new Typeform. You'll see options to either select a template or build your form from scratch. If you're in a hurry, using a template is a fantastic time saver, but creating from scratch can give you full control over the specifics of your form, so choose based on your needs. After deciding on the structure, it's time for customization. Focus on adding the necessary fields like text boxes, multiple choice questions, or any specific designs that fit the theme of your website. Take some time to explore the settings as well. They offer options to tweak how your form looks and behaves, ensuring that it aligns with your brand's identity. Once you're happy with the form's look and functionality, make sure to save your changes. Saving regularly is a good habit, especially during creative tasks where any sudden browser issue can result in lost work. With the form saved, head over to the upper right corner of the Typeform builder where you'll find the Share button. Go ahead and click on that. In the sharing options, you'll see an option labeled Embed, and that's your gateway to introducing your form to the wider world. From the embed options, select the standard embed option. Though there are choices like full page or pop-up embed, the standard embed is typically what you need for seamless integration, fitting well into most web layouts without a hitch. Now, a crucial step. Copy the HTML embed code provided. You'll need this snippet of code to make the magic happen on your WordPress site. Next, navigate to your WordPress site's dashboard. This is often what people think of as the command center of your site, where you manage content, design, and plugins. Once in your dashboard, open the page or post where you intend to embed the Typeform. It might be advantageous to have a clear idea or even a rough sketch of where you want your form to appear on the page. Inside the page or post editor, switch to the text editor, which allows you to view and edit in HTML. Here's where you paste the embed code you copied earlier. Positioning the code precisely will determine where your form appears, so take care to place it exactly where you want it to show. Finally, after making sure everything looks good, update or publish the page. It's always advisable to preview your changes before going live, making sure the form displays correctly and operates as expected. That's it. In just a few simple steps, you have successfully integrated a Typeform into your WordPress site, providing an interactive and engaging experience for your visitors.